Yo, what's up, Wilsters, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be reacting to my 6th grade Jacob Sartorius diss track. Now, I know that the title says Jacob Sartorius diss track, and you guys are probably like, why are you just sitting here? It's because I'm reacting to my old one, but it's still a diss track. So, I just want to do a quick little disclaimer. I haven't watched this since 6th grade. I don't remember it at all. I just found it. Obviously, I was in 6th grade. I didn't really know what was offensive and what was not offensive. So if there's anything in this that offends you or would be offensive today or something bad that, you know, I just didn't understand, I apologize in advance because I made different decisions in 6th grade, believe me. Anyway, what are we waiting for?
Ladies and gentlemen, that's Jacob. Dude, this is all a joke. I hope we're still cool.
I hope we're still cool? We weren't friends.
Anyway, I see we jump right into the video, don't you? Little Jacob Sartorius with his big tall grass.
I'm gonna have to put subtitles. The music is so loud in the background.
You used to be like you, but that time has passed. You think you're so cool, but you're really just fine. You should stop.
Did I say you're really just fat? Oh, wait, that's still really offensive, but I thought I said something way different. Little Jacob Sartorius with your big tall grass. I think what I meant by that was hair, but that makes no sense. I used to be like you, but that time has passed. Literally just roasted yourself. You think you're so cool, but you're really just fat. How offensive is that? That's awful, and I'm so sorry.
Posting pics. Oh, how about that?
Wait. You should stop posting pics, man. How about that?
You offer me your sweatshirt, but I give it right back. Take your elf from the shelters and jump in Santa's sack.
That was actually pretty fire. You offer me your sweatshirt.
You can wear my sweatshirt,
but I give it right back. Take your elf on the shelf ears and jump in Santa's sack. That's so rude. Jacob, if you're watching this, I've never really been a fan, but I don't hate you. I think that good for you for doing what you're doing. Keep it up, and I'm sorry.
You got friends, but you really got none. I don't really see how you're the famous one. 10 million 6-year-olds that all follow you. You think they're all teens, but you really have no clue.
This makes no sense. This is honestly just me. I think they're all teens. And guys, if you don't want to just hear me stop and start and you just want to hear the whole thing, I'll play the whole video at the end with just a black screen or something. So yeah, let me know if you want me to make a music video to this.
You use so much auto-tune, but go get a life.
You use so much auto-tune, boy, go get a life. This is literally auto-tuned.
Life when you grow up, just expect a fake wife.
What? Wait, what? When you grow up, just expect a fake wife? 1 second, that's awful. Why? Again, I didn't understand what these things meant. But that makes no sense.
Red cheeks cover half your face. It's a good thing though, cause it's an ugly face.
Okay, this is so rude because I don't know him. I just said big red cheeks cover half your face. It's a good thing though, because that's an ugly place. I get it if you want to roast someone for their videos and make a diss track, but if you're calling them ugly, fat, and saying that they're gonna grow up to get a fake wife, this is actually disgusting, and I'm so sorry. I would never do something like this today.
Body rolls in all your musicals.
True.
Can't you just be normal? I'm like, now it's Jacob.
I start singing. This one goes out to Jacob. I think I made this in GarageBand, and I think I wrote this in science class. This is awful.
You really need to wake up. Does you look like you're wearing makeup? With your big red cheeks, what you made of?
Wait, this one goes out to Jacob. Oh wait, this one goes out to Jacob. You really need to wake up because you look like you're wearing makeup with your big red cheeks, what you made of. I've said red cheeks already. Can't use that same word. And the singing.
Can't you just realize that your whole life is a big lie? And here's fact number 2. You really seem like you are in a big zoo. I know you got followers
racist. Again, guys, I was, how old are you? 11 years old, 12 years old? One of the two. I was 11 or 12 years old, not knowing anything. So I'm just sorry. Skip to the end of the video to see the whole song.
Relationships last like what? A week?
How do I know that?
Just you or your crazy red cheeks?
Red cheeks 3 times. Get over it.
Not your fake glasses and you think you're so hot.
You have your fake glasses and you think you're so hot. Not sponsored.
You need to step up your game like a lot.
Wait, what?
Step up your game like a lot.
Am I saying you need to step up your game? I think that's what I'm saying. I think. Oh my gosh. Okay.
I don't really know if you realize it yet, but people are paid to hang with you like that.
I don't really know if you realize it yet, but people are paid to. I literally sound like I'm on drugs.
I always say that you're so cool, but are you really that smart if you dropped out of school?
I don't think he dropped out of school. He's like 16, right? 2 years ago, he would have been like 14 or 15. You cannot legally drop out of school.
You made it to the top and there's nowhere to go.
Literally complimented him. You made it to the top and there's nowhere to go. Sorry, I'm eating candy, not sponsored. I'm literally just saying you beat the internet.
Career's coming down way, way, way low. Oh look, it's the second verse. Walking out the door, don't forget your purse. Can't post your cringe pics at all past 8. Wait, what?
Wait, what? You can't post your cringe pics at all past 8?
Why? Cause your mama said it's too late.
Cause your mama said it's too. I literally freaking, and the unenthusiasticness of my voice, I'm like, why? Cause your mama said it's too late.
One goes out to Jacob.
I'm singing again.
You really need to wake up. Cause it looks like you're wearing makeup. Cool, what are you? Cause you're gonna give me the flu.
You try to be cool, but are you? Cause you're gonna give me the flu. Did you hear us? I was like, cause you're gonna give me the flu. I sound like a freaking cartoon character.
It's almost the end. But wait, hold on.
When I miss the
These
beat.
roasts are endless. Can go from now to dawn. Your face seems like it was just strong.
What?
But wait, hold on. These roasts are endless. Can go from now to dawn. Your face seems like it was just strong.
I don't say your face is white. I'm literally like, again, I don't know that this stuff was offensive. What the heck?
2-year-old. Oh, what's wrong? I'm sorry if I made your feelings hurt. But I'm leaving you in the dirt. This one goes out to Jacob. You really need to wake up. Cause you look like you're wearing makeup. With your big red cheeks that you made up. Yo, this whole thing was a joke.
Yo, this whole thing was a joke.
Jacob, be cool? I hope.
Literally, I called him fat, dumb, white, and said that he has cheeks like a freaking elf on the shelf. Yeah, Jacob, we're cool. Okay, dope. Cause like, we were friends when I wrote this, right? Literally, this is the worst thing. Okay.
Alright, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs down because that was really offensive. Comment your thoughts in the comments, and without further ado, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and play the whole song for you guys. So let me know if I should make a music video or something, or if you want a part 2, reacting to my old videos, whatever. Love you guys, have a great day.
Yeah, this one goes out to Jacob. Dude, this is all a joke. I hope we're still cool. But anyway, I see we jump right into the video, don't you? Little Jacob Sartorius with his big tall grass. I used to be like you, but that time has passed. You think you're so cool, but you're really just fine. You should stop posting pics. Oh, how about that? You offer me your sweatshirt, but I give it right back. Take your elf on the shelf ears and jump in Santa's sack. You think you got friends, but you really got none. I don't really see how you're the famous one. 10 million 6-year-olds that all follow you. You think they're all teens, but you really have no clue. You use so much auto-tune, but go get a life. When you grow up, just expect a fake wife. Big red cheeks, cover half your face. It's a good thing though, cause it's an ugly place. Body rolls in all your music leaves. Can't you just be normal? I'm like, geez. Now to Jacob, you really need to wake up. Does he look like you're wearing makeup? With your big red cheeks, what you made of? Why can't you just realize that your whole life is a big lie? And here's fact number 2. You really seem like you belong in a big zoo. I know you got followers and some subscribers too, and none of them seem to really like you. Yeah, some girls think you're hot, but they're like, what, 2? Yeah, you got a few songs, but you know Jimmy too. People say you got fans, but do you really? Cause I think your whole white boy act is kinda silly. Your relationships last like, what, a week? Is it just you or your crazy red cheeks? You got your fake glasses and you think you're so hot. Well, you need to step up your game like a lot. I don't really know if you realize it yet, but people are paid to hang with you, I bet. All your followers say that you're so cool, but are you really that smart if you dropped out of school? You made it to the top and there's nowhere to go. Now your career's coming down way, way, way low. Oh look, it's the second verse. Walking out the door, don't forget your purse. You can't post your cringe pics at all past 8. Wait, why? Cause your mama said it's too late. This one goes out to Jacob. You really need to wake up. Cause it looks like you're wearing makeup. With your big red cheeks, what you made of. And boy, you got an issue. So when I look at you, my face turns blue. You try to be cool, what are you? Cause you're gonna give me the flu. It's almost the end, but wait, hold on. These roasts are endless, can go from now to dawn. Your face seems like it was just drawn by a 2-year-old. Oh, what's wrong? I'm sorry if I made your feelings hurt, but I'm leaving you in the dirt. This one goes out to Jacob. You really need to wake up. Cause you look like you're wearing makeup. With your big red cheeks, what you made of. Yo, this whole thing was a joke. Jacob, we cool? I hope. Alright, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.
Peace.